Well, here is the passenger seat. It definitely needs a new cover. And I'm dripped a little bit of resin on it. The control panel needs a lot of help too. It's in pretty bad shape. That's gonna get leather on it as well. It's a little nasty. I don't know what that is down in there, but it doesn't look regular. Ew, what is in there? Is that rusted? It is. Uh-oh. The hog rings have rotted off. That's not good. Not only that, it's bent. The seat back is twisted. This side is further back than this side, which might be something to do with the gearing or one of the cables. I don't know. Well, I guess first thing, I'll go ahead and get the headrest off. Actually, well, let's clean it. Get the vac out, shop vac, suck all the junk up. I'll flip it up and we'll look under it and see how bad the underside is. Well, the relays are okay. Sturdy. There has definitely been water in this car. It looks like a lot of the wires are broken. Oh boy. There's a clip right here. Actually, they didn't use hog rings on the back, on the flap. I used them on the other side to pull it tight. So this has hooks, which I cannot get loose for some reason. There we go. There we go. You know what? I think I forgot to put that that padding on the other seat for this bar right here. Frankly, I don't know where it went, so we'll put it back on this one. But that burlap has disintegrated in here. And it's not horrible. It is really, really dirty though. I'll probably do the same thing I did to the other one. We'll go ahead and we'll pop the two screws, that one and the one that's behind the control box here, off, and the other side, and we'll pull the motor base off, set it aside, and then see what we've got to work on with the seat frame as far as the wires and foam. See how the foam is, start pulling the covers off. This one's a lot worse than the other one. Couple more things I forgot here. There are metal clips on here that hold on right there on the pivot of the seat. You're supposed to take these off of the seat cover here, and there is on the new bikes, they go in to that pocket where that plastic is. So I forgot to do that on the driver's seat. I'll have to pull it back out, pull those clips off. That's what pulls tension down the side of the seat to keep this from riding up. So this is what's left of the back net. Most of it has literally rotted away. That's all that was in there. So, a couple of options. It can make a whole new one. This measuring, I believe, was where the angle was, so this should be the full length. The other option is to scab onto this one. Maybe cut off some of this more thinner brittle stuff down here and scab on around and back up. I've got some 3/16 zinc plated cold rolled here that I'm thinking, let's get a measurement on it. Let's see what full 15 inches, 15 by 12 and a half. Do I just want to make a new one? The top's still okay. These wires, well, okay, there's one wire that's still good out of the whole bunch. I don't have anything to wrap it with though, but I didn't wrap the other one either, so across the bottom. I'm gonna go bend that. I think that's what I'll do, and then we'll zip tie onto there, pull off all these wires, and put some new wires on it. Big. Clean this mess up, get these wires off, and then we'll start restringing it. Didn't see any of that, did you? Well, one of these days I'll get better at framing.